Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to do a black bean dish that I got from a good friend of mine, Chef Z. I'll put that in the comments so you'll be able to see that. And anyway, if you like Chipotle's black beans, this is going to beat it by 80%. So the first thing we're going to do is get some oil in there, use any you want. Woo! I got it pretty hot, as you can see. I got it going quick. So I'm going to put in a small onion, small green pepper, all right, optional jalapeno, and we're going to cook those up and get those done. So this will take me about a minute or two. So you'll notice I used my big iron skillet here. It's a 12-incher, and the reason why is when I put in the black beans, I want the water to evaporate quickly so we get some nice thick beans because I like them thick. So already you can see how the color's turning. It's looking really good. So the next thing I'm going to put in is my cilantro, about a half a cup. Get that in there. And I'm going to start putting in my black beans. I'm going to use 3 cans, okay? 3 cans of black beans. And with the juice, and the reason why I use the juice, and this is Chef Z said this, is because it keeps the color nice and dark, which, hey, I want to see, and I agree with her, it does. This is a great recipe. You're really going to like it. And for my vegetarian friends out there, guess what? This is vegan friendly. And then we're going to put in some aromatics. A tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of cumin, okay? And then 3 bay leaves, got those, we're going to put those in there. Can't forget my tomato paste, going to put in about a tablespoon, that's about all you need. Get that in there. Now we're going to let this cook down for a little while. Get it a little thicker. Then I got a couple more things to add, and then we're going to eat. So let's get this cooked down just a little bit. So I've been cooking this for about 15 minutes on simmer, and you can see it's getting a lot thicker. So I'm going to put in the last 3 ingredients, which are 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and this is what Chef Z says, put your garlic in last. So I got about 6 cloves of garlic. So I'm almost ready. I'm going to let this cook for about another 5 minutes. And you can see it's getting really thick and nice like I like them. And if you don't like it, it's quite so thick, guess what? Take it off the stove quicker. That's all you have to do. It's as thick as I like it. You can make it thinner or thicker, depending on your taste. But we're going to plate up a couple plates here. Do it right on the stove. Don't you love this? This is fancy cooking, buddy. So anyway, we're going to put a little bit of rice. Okay? Got the rice down. Ooh, this is going to be so good. I'm excited. Oh, by the way, don't forget to take out those bay leaves. You don't want to eat those puppies, I guarantee you. So put that over a little bit of rice. As you can see, it looks good. I'm going to let it cool for a second. So, veggie black beans. If you're a vegan, you can eat these. Hot, hot, hot. I got to have another mouthful before I say it. OMGs, is that good?